AMC 10A 2005 Problem 18. Team A and B play a series. The first team to win 3 games wins the series. Each team is equally likely to win each game. No ties and the outcomes of the individual games are independent. If team B wins the second and Team A wins the series, what is the probability that Team B wins the first game? So when reading these probability questions, it tells us that each individual game are independent. So therefore, we could just worry about individual casework. We do not need to apply any sort of combination or probability or possibility rather. So to do this, we can first give out the information. So team A and team B play the series, and the first team to win 3 games wins the series. So that means that there must be 5 games within each uh within each series. So the first team to win 3 games wins the series. So that means A must have 3. That is the bare minimum, and A must in each scenario. And each team is equally likely to win each game, no ties, and the outcome of the individual games are independent. So that shows us that the outcome of one game does not affect the other. So that won't affect our logic for the continuation of this question. If Team B wins the second game and Team A wins the series, so if Team B wins the second game, then A must win all other games. A can win this one, and this one, and B can win the fourth game. But we can also say, instead of this, A wins the first one, B wins the third one, and A wins the fourth, and A wins the fifth. Or we can have B wins the second, A wins the first, and we can have A winning the third, and A winning the fourth. But notice here that in this case, A has already won the series because A has already won 3 times. So whether A or B plays again won't really matter because A have already won the series. So we must still count each possibility as one. So here we have listed 4 possible outcomes of this game. But right now, B has occupied only the second, third, fourth, fifth. Can it occupy other spaces? And it can. It can also win the first game. B must win the second game, and therefore remaining 3 slots for A. So now we have played out all scenarios when this question is asking for. And we're trying to find what is the probability that Team B wins the first game. Well, in all of these possibilities, the only time B wins the first game is this possibility. Out of the 5 total, we only have 1. Therefore, our solution to this question will be A.